Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany. I'm a licensed nail technician and a press-on nail artist. I own yournailplug.com, which specializes in a handcrafted luxury press-on nails. So I made this channel like a year ago, and I made it, I think, just to make some videos for my customers to watch for tutorials. But then I was like, I want to do something with it, but I'm also very nervous on camera. So lately I'm just like, you know what, just do it. I mean, what's gonna come out of this? Either nothing, or I'll have a lot of fun doing it and it'll be great and informative for people that have a similar interest. So I am going to make videos and post it on here, yes, frequently, about press-on nail business. So I'm going to give tips and tricks about how to start a business, you know, website development for your business, just really anything that goes into it. How to contact customers, how to work with influencers, tutorials, and a bunch of fun things along the way that I have learned that I feel like I'm ready to share because I have the knowledge, and why not share that knowledge? Because yeah, I learned the hard way doing press-ons. So I would love to teach the best way to do press-ons and make a wonderful business along the way. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe, and to those that have subscribed already, thank you, and I appreciate that. If you have any questions about press-on nails, please leave a comment below, and I would love to answer anything, and I can even address it in the next video. Just wanted to pop in real quick because I'm editing the video that we're watching right now, and it's so cringe because I'm talking so fast through it. It is honestly my nerves. I'm not 100% comfortable talking on camera yet, so hopefully you get what I'm trying to say throughout the video. But if you have any questions, just ask.